Crowns for dental use are a popular procedure that many need to repair broken or damaged teeth. Crowns are utilized to protect the whole tooth, giving strength and security as well as improving the appearance of your tooth. But the price of dental crowns can differ significantly based on the place you live. In this clip, we'll compare prices for dental crowns across Europe as compared to Turkey. Cost of dental crowns in Europe. In Europe, the cost for dental crowns is quite expensive, particularly in places such as Germany as well as the UK as well as Switzerland. The cost of a dental crown in these nations can vary between 500 and 1,500 euros for a tooth. The high price can be an obstacle for many who require dental crowns, but are unable to pay for the cost. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey. However, Turkey has become a well-known tourist destination due to high-quality care provided by dentists with affordable costs. The cost of a crown for a tooth in Turkey is considerably lower in comparison to Europe and ranges between 150 and 500 euros for a tooth. The cost includes appointment, the treatment, and subsequent care. This makes the procedure more affordable for patients who require dental crowns. The quality of dental crowns in Europe in comparison to Turkey. In spite of the cost difference, however, the standard of dental crowns made in Turkey is similar to that found in Europe. The majority of dental practices located in Turkey make use of the latest technology and equipment to provide the most superior standards of treatment. Furthermore, Turkish dentists are highly skilled and knowledgeable, delivering high-quality dental services for their clients. Benefits of getting dental crowns in Turkey. There are many benefits of having dental crowns made in Turkey, such as savings on costs. As we mentioned previously, the price for dental crowns in Turkey is considerably less than Europe, which makes the procedure more affordable for a lot of people. Quality care and high-end treatment. Turkish dental clinics offer top-of-the-line treatment using the latest technologies and equipment, making sure that patients get the highest possible treatment. Opportunities for tourism. A lot of individuals choose to combine the treatment of their teeth along with a trip to Turkey, which allows them to discover the rich history of Turkey and rich culture while improving their oral health. The cost of the dental crowns available in Europe is higher than in Turkey. Although the price of crowns for dental purposes in Europe could be prohibitive to many, getting dental care in Turkey is a less expensive alternative without having to sacrifice the quality. High-quality treatment, modern technology, and reductions. Turkey has become a well-known destination for dental tourism. If you're seeking dental crowns, you should consider going to Turkey to get a lower cost and top-quality treatment.